Hello and welcome to Cannon Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this espresso machine and we replaced this water sensor into the tank. You can see it melted. Kind of looks like it might have gotten crushed and then melted because of the short, but it's kind of hard to know exactly what happened. Sometimes people push too hard. They drop the water tank in after they fill it, but I just don't really know what happened here. Um, so we replaced that. We also wanted to note that there's a missing foot. I'm not sure where that went to. I didn't see any feet around here, so I'm wondering if it got left in the car when it was dropped off. And then let's go ahead and pour a shot. So we get a really nice espresso. And then you can see why we like our customers to bring drip trays, because they get messy otherwise. Let's test the steam and the hot water. Both working well. So thank you for pairing with Cannon Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.